Both dataset are Excel extension, and each file will having around 36K plus records. And these are the KPIs, right? Based on these KPIs, you have to build a dashboard. You can add few more KPIs also, but these are the KPIs which you are looking for, right? So we'll come on this particular KPIs once again after seeing the data set. Let's see the weekly agenda. Our weekly agenda, we basically have 5 week agenda. We program is there for this particular project. First week, which is today, where we are going to discuss about the scheduler, right? Team distributions, data sets, KPIs, and Q&A part. Second week, based on the KPIs which has been provided to you, you have to build a dashboard in Excel. Okay. Third week, you have to build a dashboard using the same KPIs in Tableau. With that, you can load the data into SQL, and you have to write down the queries over there in a SQL, perform it. Fourth week, you have to build a dashboard in Power BI, and somebody who's not completed SQL in third week, they can complete in fourth week. So between third and fourth week, you have to complete 3 tools: Tableau dashboard, Power BI dashboard, and SQL queries. So anyone has any doubt related to first, second, third, and fourth week?
No, sir.
Hello.
Yes.
Yes. Good afternoon. This is Subhash this side. I just want to know, in the SQL, we have to only write the queries regarding the KPI, right?
Yes, you have to load the data set, and based on the KPIs, you have to write down the queries and perform it.
Okay. As per the
Because,
KPI.
because
Sorry.
it's a data analytics tool, it is not visualizations, you can't do it. So you just need to
Yeah,
write
I
down
know.
the queries and perform it.
Sorry. What about the Power BI?
Power BI is a dashboard. You have to load the data set in the Power BI, and you have to build a dashboard using those KPIs.
From where we get the data set, sir?
We'll give it to you. We will discuss on that. Okay.
Sir, it's doing as grouply or individually, sir?
Yeah, it is a group member, right? Around like 5 to 6 members will be there in a group, right? Each group will have a right. This to you have to work as a group and you have to present it. We'll come to that bit later. Clear on this agenda?
Sir, this PPT,
Yes.
sir, you got this PPT, right?
Final week is on PPT.
No, this information you're going to send it.
Yes, yes. We'll
To
go
us.
forward to it.
Okay.
Okay. So here is the KPIs. Like these are the 5 KPIs. But before going to the KPIs, let me showcase you the data set. Here we have 2 data set. One is finance one. You can see in the finance one, we have these informations such as ID, member ID, loan amount, funded amount, funded amount investment, terms, interest rate, installment, grade, subgrade, employee title, employee length, home ownership, annual income, verification status, issue date, loan status, payment plans, description, purpose, title, zip code, state code or state name, and DTI. Okay. So these are the information we have in table 1. Coming to table 2, which is finance 2, we have ID, right? Dealing with 2 years, earliest crore line in last 6 months, month since last dealing, month since last record, opening account, public receivable, revolving balance until total account, right? Initial list status, out principal, principal investment, total payment on investment, total received principal, total received interest, total received last free, recoveries, collection recovery free, last payment date, last payment amount, next payment date, last credit full date. These are the columns which you have, right? So not all the columns we actually require based on the KPIs, but yes, these are the information which we have. Now, what are the KPIs are there? The first KPIs is year-wise loan amount status we require. So to find out that, you need to go for Finance 1. In Finance 1, we have issue dates, right? Based on this issue date, you have to find out year-wise. Here we have the loan amount is there. If you can just see, there is a loan amount. So we want to find out year-wise loan amount. Am I clear on the first requirement, KPI? Anyone has a doubt? Am I clear on this? Anyone has a doubt?
So which column we have to use to get the year
Years, we have this T column called issue date.
issue date? Yes.
Yeah. And loan amount is over here in the C column. Clear?
Yes, sir.
The second option is grade and subgrade wise revolving balance. Now you can see grade is there in the Finance 1, I and J column, grade and subgrade. Whereas your revolving balance is not in this table. It is there in the Finance 2. So here you can see revolving balance in the I column. But how do you connect between these two tables? ID is the common. Here you have ID. Here also we have ID. Based on this common ID, you have to figure it out grade and subgrade basis revolving balance. Am I clear on the first two requirements? I
Yes,
hope
can you please explain again for second KPID?
second KPI, what it is asking, grade and subgrade basis revolving balance. If you look at in Finance 1, column I and J, we have grade and subgrade, right? Against that, what we want to find out revolving balance, which is there in the Finance 2. In the I column, we have revolving balance. Common connector is the ID in between both the tables. Based on the relationship, you can get this information. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
Next one is the payment status, right, for verified and non-verified.
Yes.
So here you can see, yeah.
Sir, first one, once again repeats. First one.
First one, what is the question, sir?
Year-wise loan amount.
Price loan amount. In Finance 1, here we have issue date. From the issue date, we can find out years. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Against that, we want to find out loan amount, which is there over here in the C column.
Okay.
Okay. Now coming to the next one is total payment for verified status and total payment for non-verified. So if you look at in this right Finance 1, we got verification status in O column. But if you look at there, we have here 3 verified options are there: not verified, source verified, and verified. Am I clear on this one?
Yes.
We are not looking for source verified. We are comparing based on verified and source not verified. So what is the payment amount for verified and not verified amount? So payment amount you are finding over here in the other table called as total payment in O column. Am I clear with the third requirement?
Sir, can you
So
repeat
once
the
again,
third?
See, here in the Finance 1, we got verification status where we have not verified, source verified, verified. But we are not looking for source verified. We are looking for not verified and verified. These against what we want to find out, the payment amount. Where you have this total payment in Finance 2, here in the O column, we have total payment. What is an overall for verified total payment, not verified, payment total payment values we want to find out. Clear?
Got it.
And the fourth requirement is state-wise, month-wise loan status. Now here, if you look at over here in the finance one, here we have a states, different states. State-wise, we have month is there in the issue date, right? Issue date basis, what do we want to find out? The loan statuses count we required. Here we have loan status. There we have different charged off, current, fully paid. Based on this, we want to find out state-wise, year-wise, loan status, stats we want to find out. So you can give count also. If you want to give, right, loan amount, you can give loan amount also. Completely up to you. But cluster is state-wise, year-wise, I can say loan status, stats we want. Either you want to give a count, you can give it. You want to give fund, right, loan amount, funded amount, it's up to you. I hope clear on this fourth requirement.
Hello.
Sir.
Hello.
Yes, please.
Sir, can you please explain us this all 5 questions we sort out in Tableau, Power BI, Excel,
All the tools, sir.
all the tools?
Yes.
Okay.
Sir, in Excel we create dashboard, right?
On all the application, you have to create a dashboard except PPT and SQL. In Tableau also, you have to build a dashboard. In right, Power BI also, you have to build a dashboard. Okay. Coming to the last option, we have fifth one is home ownership versus last payment date. So here we have ownerships are there. If you look at their home ownerships, here we have home ownerships. If you look at there, in the M column, finance one, mortgage, none, other, own, and rented one. So in this one, what we want to find out, we want to find out last payment date stats we want. So we want to find out the last payment dates of those items. So if you want to find out last payment dates, in the finance 2, we have last payment dates are there. Here we have last payment dates. You have to give a count of that, right? Dates you required it. Against that, what will be the amount you can give that one? Last payment dates amount. I hope it is clear on this fifth requirement also.
Noted, sir.
So not only these 5 KPIs, you can go for a few more KPIs based on the data set so that you can build a dashboard, right? So make it as an attractive. Assume that you are working for a client. Client has given certain requirements, but always remember not to present only with their requirement, specific requirement. You have to give add-on also, getting more inside details. So for that, you can just put your logics and work it out. And it is not an individual work, it is a group work. So in a group, 5 to 6 members will be there. Each member need to be participate in all the modules, right? Collectively, you have to work, right, on a dashboard presentations. Second week is on Excel dashboard presentation. Third week will be on Tableau as well as SQL queries, or else fifth week Power BI dashboard or SQL queries, and in the final week PPT presentation. From each team, each group, right, one presenter should be there weekly, and 2 volunteers should be there who are going to explain about your dashboard. And each team will get around 8 to 10 minutes maximum time. Within that, you have to complete your presentation. Am I clear on this one?
Just one question, sir.
Yeah.
One dashboard, like you said that we're going to have a team. So
Right.
one dashboard is needed for all of the team, or each one has to.
No, all of the team will have only one dashboard.
Okay.
So as a group, you have to discuss. You'll get a contact number, other things. So make a WhatsApp group. Try to distribute your work. Right. Please distribute as per the right KPIs, not as per the, I can say, overall module, because everyone should be participate in all the modules.
Okay.
Okay. So just distribute your roles and responsibility according to that. You have to build a dashboard, discuss together, and next week when you're presenting, one presenter from the team, and 2 volunteers should be there. So we're going to explain about their project. Not all the candidates need to present. Next week when you are coming, another 2 volunteers should be there who are going to represent dashboard for Tableau. Next week, another 2 members. It should be rotate like this, so that everyone will get a time
Yes.
for this chance for giving a presentation.
Understood, sir. Thank you so much.
Anyone else has any other doubts, queries?
I got all the thing. I just want to know, as per the project requirement, each member have to make up that dashboard a part of the presentation. I
Not
just want
each
to
member.
know.
Not about each member, sir. Based on the right group members. We have 5 groups. You distribute your works, right? Have a meet and try to complete your project. Complete your dashboard presentation. And from that, right, a presenter should be there who will going to present a screen, and the 2 volunteers will going to explain about their dashboard.
So each members are not near to location. So each member have to make a particular KPI and
It's up to you,
send to the
right?
other.
One KPI or cleaning part will do one fellow. Like that, you can distribute it. It's completely up to you.
So, sir, we ourselves will be distributing the task, right? Like
Yeah.
no other
It's up to
person.
you. It's up to the team members you are going to discuss. You have to distribute how you are going to work. But everyone should be participate for all the modules.
Sir, one question I have.
Yes, please.
Like suppose if we are having any major issues making the dashboard, like we are stuck somewhere or we needed some guidance, not for the making the
Right.
dashboard, so to understand some concept if you want to add or implement something. So is there any way we can get to
First
someone?
thing is that you have to discuss, right? First, check it out, your skill sets, your logics,
Okay.
your right, additional tools. Based on that, you work it out. Second is that your other team members, you can contact with your team members and you can have that, right, evaluation part. Still, you
Okay.
are having doubts and queries. Other group members are there, right? If you are unable to do that, then you can contact your co-mentor, or weekly we'll have a review. You can just clarify your doubts and queries in the upcoming weeks with me.
Okay, so even after the presentation, we will get the chance to discuss the
Yeah.
our problems.
If you're facing any problem, you can.
Okay, thank you so much.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello, sir. Please tell me who will be provide the group member names.
Your co-mentor will going to present it. Surya is there. He'll going to give it.
Okay.
He'll be there in the meeting. Just give me some time. Right. If you're clear with the KPIs, roles and response, weekly agenda and data set, I'll just hand over to you.
Okay. Thank you.
Sir?
Yeah.
Means every week we have to give like a presentation of the,
Right. Based on
Dashboard.
each group.
okay, and in the final we have to present the PPT.
Yes.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
So means our project starts from the next week, right? This week is only a
Started,
kickoff meeting.
project is started already. The first week is
Okay.
today. Okay. First week is today.
Means
Second week, right?
means
Next Monday,
yeah,
you have to present a dashboard using an Excel application.
excellent.
Third
Okay.
week, you have to do on
Okay.
Tableau dashboard with that SQL queries. If you're unable to complete the SQL queries, in fourth week with Power BI dashboard, you have to present your MySQL queries. Fifth week will be on PPT presentation.
Okay, got it, sir.
Mostly every week it will be the same time. If any changes are there, one day before prior, you'll get a mail.
So next week we have to present the dashboard from Excel, right?
Yes.
Okay.
So anyone has any right doubts related to the data set, KPIs?
Hey, hi, is an audible?
Yeah, you're audible, please.
I just want to know one thing. Suppose this we have a 6 member in the group. If any of the person is not responding to that project, and if any of the person wants to,
with co-mentor. Okay, I'll explain you on
okay,
that.
okay, sure.
So related to data set,
It will explain by the Surya.
Yes.
Okay,
If
fine.
you any have a doubt related to data set, KPIs, and weekly agenda, please let me know. Otherwise, I'll just hand over to him. He'll explain you about